Welcome to Geometry Zone. Today we will learn about a very important tool used in geometry. It is called a protractor. A protractor is a transparent instrument. It is usually semicircular or sometimes full circular, and it is used to measure and draw angles accurately. Look closely. You will see degree markings from 0 to 180 degrees in a small semicircular protractor. In a full circle protractor, the markings go from 0 to 360 degrees. At the bottom, you will find a center point or base point. This point must be placed exactly on the vertex of the angle. Now align the base line of the protractor with one arm of the angles. Make sure it is perfectly straight. This step is very important for accurate measurement. Now carefully look where the second arm of the angle meets the degree scale. That number is your angle measurement, and that is it. That is how we measure an angle using a protractor. If you found this explanation easy and helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Geometry Zone for more simple and clear